How to follow someone on Duolingo. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily do that. So let's just jump right in. The very first thing you're going to have to do is open up your Duolingo application. And once you open up the app, what you need to do is simply go ahead and select your profile icon from the bottom of your screen. You will find your home section, your alphabet section, your practices, your rank, and then here you'll find your profile. So in order to follow someone, you are going to have to tap on the add friends option. So simply tap on add friends, and then you can search them by their name. Simply tap in their name or username, and you should be able to see their profile. So tap on search, and you'll be able to see different kind of profiles here. So what I'm going to do is search for a specific name as the results are very vague. So I'll need to find the username. So if someone follows you and you want to follow them back, you can just go to your followers and you should be able to see the followers for your account. So this is the username right here. So I'm just going to type in that username. I can already follow them from here, but I'm just going to show you guys how to search for the username. Once you have typed in their username, tap on search and it will show their profile right here. Now you can just tap on follow and you've successfully followed this person. That is it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.